Before using the Mooncup for the first time and between periods, give your Mooncup a more thorough clean. There are 2 ways you can do this. Boil the Mooncup for 5 to 7 minutes. Use a clean pan set aside only for this and make sure the Mooncup is fully covered with water. Make sure the pan doesn't boil dry. Carefully remove the Mooncup from the pan and allow to air dry. Alternatively, you can soak your Mooncup in mild sterilising solution, the kind used with baby equipment. This usually comes as a liquid or a tablet and can be found in pharmacies, supermarkets or online. Always follow the packet instructions for dilution. And soak your Mooncup fully immersed for the minimum recommended time. This is usually around 15 minutes, but check the instructions. Remove the Mooncup and rinse it well with plenty of clean water, and then set it aside to air dry. We don't recommend using the microwave, dishwasher or a steam steriliser to clean your Mooncup, as this may damage the material. During your period, you can simply wash it with water. If you choose to use soap, make sure that it's mild and unscented and that any soap residue is rinsed off. You can find out more about cleaning and caring for your Mooncup by visiting the FAQs on our website.